Hello, this is Jan with Blues Bird Toys, and I am showing you a toy that I had to remake to revise it on one of the parts on it. This was formerly known as 3 squares and more because it had 3 of these squares, one here, and one down at the bottom, but the bottom one posed a slight possible threat. So I just changed it to a tag, 1.5 inch diameter. Has a little jingle. Anyway, it's along almost 13 inches long total, and meant for large macaws, large cockatoos. Mostly wouldn't give it to a small bird, that's for sure. So anyway, this is how it looks now. It has a jingle. Birdies like that sort of thing. 2 squares and more at Blues Bird Toys. Thank you for watching.